everyone. Welcome to Writing 3DP. I'm Kelsey.
The parts are printed in TPU material. See, it's clogged. Nozzle clogged or fitting tube in the hotend clogged. All will cause this. Let's find out the cause. Heating first. Click fitting, no material out. Click retracting, and also no reaction. We can directly drag out the filament and it's not easy to break. Based on my experience, it likely clogged in the fitting tube and change a new one. Changing the fitting tube in the hotend is necessary for the maintenance. I recommend to change a new fitting tube when you have printed about 10 kg filament. And no need to change the whole tube, just change a part in the hotend. Print again. We are a professional manufacturer of 3D printers, and we offer high quality 3D printing services. See you next time!